think this is going to be a challenging year for real estate because of all the uncertainty that's going on in the economy right now and in the political sector.
I'm more optimistic, even notwithstanding the potential for rises in interest rates and also concerns about protectionism and with respect to the new administration. I think there are things about the Trump administration and also in alignment with Congress, which is important, that might extend the current real estate cycle. I actually hope that that real estate as an asset class will continue to become global, and that the protectionist approach to the U.S. or the isolationist approach to the U.S. will not impact those global inflows into U.S. real estate.
Because I think the biggest change right now is going on in Europe. As interesting as what's going on in the U.S. is, Brexit is more interesting. And the first reaction, the vote for Brexit was about a week before the end of the June quarter last year. First reaction of the market was total panic. Liquid real estate securities in London went down dramatically. There was talk about bankruptcies and changes in value. Then a month or two later, there was essentially a calm, kind of like the eye of the hurricane. Valuations didn't drop much. Actually, what we've seen over the last 6 months is the pound has dropped dramatically relative to the dollar. And if you're a dollar investor, your dollar value of investments in the UK has gone down because of the currency move, but the actual pound valuations have been quite stable.
The real estate industry has changed in the last 10 years, which is interesting for me to reflect on, in that it used to be that most of our clients and most of the industry drivers were large institutional investors. But given the strength of our teams, we have seen an explosion in the amount of private funds that have gotten into the industry, and that's really been a game changer.
I think there's been a lot of significant changes, particularly from the legal side over the last 10 years. And I think we're likely to see an equal number of changes, over the next 10 years, but probably even sooner than that if some percentage of what's being talked about in Washington daily actually comes to fruition. I think it could have a big impact on our industry.